Welcome to Pampered Chef Cooking with Rob. I'm Rob. Tonight we're going to make some of the simplest peanut butter you'll ever make. Healthy, delicious, one ingredient, peanuts. So you can buy your peanuts. You want to have them cooked, roasted would be great. You can do them with salt or no salt. I prefer no salt. These are salted. If you buy no salt, you can always salt them when you're making the peanut butter. But it's super simple here in our Deluxe blender, Deluxe Cooking Blender. This blender will cook soups, purees, just about anything that you want to do. It'll do your smoothies, it'll do your peanut butter, it'll do your grinding, it'll do alternative milks, almond milk, things like that. It'll also clean itself. It is self-cleaning, and I'll show you how to do that here at the end. So all we're going to do this evening, it's quick and easy. I've got the Deluxe Cooking Blender. It's plugged in. I'm going to take the lid off. And I'm going to pour my peanuts. I just got a 1 pound jar of peanuts from the store. I'm going to pour that in. Okay, peanuts is one thing that has enough fat in them that we don't have to add any other ingredients. Some other nut butters, you can do all kinds of nut butters, but some of them will require a little bit of oil because they're a little bit drier, and they will need that in them. But peanuts, we're fine. Put the lid back on. Makes a little beep when your lid is locked. Everything's in place. All I've got to do, I'll walk around here, and I'm going to choose one of the custom blends, and it's grind. And I'm going to hit grind. It says 2 minutes and 22 seconds. I'm going to hit grind. I'm going to let it go for here just a second. But what's going to happen is the peanuts are actually going to kind of climb up the side a little bit, and I am going to have to tamp them down here with the tamper. So I'll tamp them down a little bit, and that's all I'm going to have to do. It'll last the peanut butter will last 4 to 6 weeks in the refrigerator. So I'll put it in a jar, put it in the refrigerator, and we'll have peanut butter for 4 to 6 weeks. And that's it. There you have it. Peanut butter. It comes out a little bit on the runny side, and it will thicken up once it sits a little bit. So I'll show you. I'll pour it out here, and I will show you that. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and pour this in a 3-cup Pampered Chef prep bowl. Take the lid off. Use one of my Pampered Chef scrapers. So it's nice and smooth peanut butter. And like I said, this will thicken up. It comes out a little thin to start with, but once it sets up a little bit, it will thicken up. We'll get everything out here with our Pampered Chef scraper, and then I will show you how we clean the Deluxe Cooking Blender. All right. And all of our prep bowls, the 3-cup, the 2-cup, and the 1-cup, come with a nice sealable lid. So all I've got to do is there's my peanut butter here, and I'm going to throw it in the refrigerator. Like I said, it will stay in the refrigerator for 4 to 6 weeks. Okay. Now I'm going to clean the blender, because you'd think, oh my goodness, now you got a mess, got peanut butter. I'm going to do a couple things. I'm going to rinse it out first. I'm just going to do a quick rinse, and then I'll show you how it's going to clean itself. I put a couple cups of water in the blender. I'm just going to put a little bit of detergent of liquid. Fingers are a little slick. Just a couple drops of liquid dishwashing soap. If I put too much, you'll know it because it'll be all over your countertop. So just put a couple drops there. And I'm going to come around and I will show you the setting here for heated wash. Heated wash, it's going to heat up to 140 degrees, and it's going to blend as it does that, and it's going to clean my blender. That's all. So we're done cleaning. The blender's hot. You can feel it. And I'm going to pour it out. All that peanut butter is probably the most sticky, worst thing that I've made in here is the peanut butter. And I'm going to have to wipe off the edges just a little bit. But as far as the bottom, especially the bottom piece, once I rinse this out, okay, it's going to come back nice and clean. And I didn't have to do anything. I just jumped in a little bit of detergent and some water. Okay, one thing you want to remember about the Deluxe Cooking Blender is this blender piece has electronics in its base. That's how it cooks. So you cannot submerge this in water to clean it, and you cannot put it in the dishwasher. So it's very handy that it cleans itself because you can't do those other things with it. Thank you for joining us with Pampered Chef Cooking with Rob this evening. Be sure and subscribe to our channel and like the video, share the video. We're doing our best to grow a great channel here, Cooking with Pampered Chef products, and we appreciate you coming back and seeing some more of our videos. Thank you.